It's Minecraft Dead back again to bring another video. In this one, we're gonna be covering a vlog, and yeah, right now I'm just gonna walk around and talk about how we found these. Ready? These little birdies, you know. I don't know if you could see it, but okay, well, I'm gonna go down to the river and see what my brothers are doing fishing, and see you back. So guys, it looks like they're not there, so I don't know, but I'm gonna keep trying to find them. Maybe they're in my friend's backyard fishing, because my friend has a river in the backyard that they like to go fishing in a little bit. They catch lots of fish and stuff. But I don't know where they're at. I don't know. Oh well. I guess I can find them. Might as well just go back home then. Cause my stepmom said they're fishing, but they're not at the river they're supposed to be fishing at. They're possibly at a friend's house, so I'm gonna jump on the tramp for a little bit, and then I'm gonna show you guys my Lego collection. I'm planning on doing a vlog once a week, but a reaction video, I'll have a reaction video up later, possibly after this video. But I'm sorry, I haven't took a shower today, so that's why my hair is all over the place, you know. But the question of the day is, if you wanted to be a YouTuber, what famous YouTuber would you be? Put it in the comments below. But yeah. Take my awesome sweatshirt off because it's like 90 degrees out. And I just want to let you guys know, add me on Snap and follow me on Instagram. My Snapchat is no capitals, but Brady Erickson, no spaces. 15 is how old I am, so. But I guess we're gonna jump on the tramp for a little bit. Now I'll show you guys my Lego collection. That's huge. Well, not huge like those big YouTubers, but huge like, yeah. Sorry, my stupid thing keeps getting off. But yeah, you know, it's like so hot out right now. Oh man. Okay.